Quietly powering many of the most prominent AI applications today is Modal, one of the most sought-after infrastructure companies in the world. The founding team is Erik Bernhardsson, who built the infrastructure team that still powers Spotify's music recommendations today, and Akshat Bubna, one of the earliest engineers at Scale AI.
I was at Spotify from 40 people to 2,000 people.
On the backs of their latest announcement, raising at a $4.65 billion valuation, we stopped by their office in New York City to see how one of the most elite engineering cultures in tech actually operates.
So one of the engineers called it a monastery for super nerds.
This is Modal.
The best way, I think, to explain Modal is that there's a lot of companies out there, and they're all trying to build AI infrastructure. That has to run somewhere. So we basically provide the underlying infrastructure for that. Things like inference and sandboxes and training and many other things. And so our idea is basically build like a very rich sort of platform that basically enables these companies to build these, AI features and AI products much, much faster in a way where they don't have to think about the infrastructure because we take care of all of that below.
The tech team at Modal has stood out to us from the earliest days. One of the things that we do at Redpoint is we track teams based on a bunch of signals using a series of AI agents, and they ingest things like where people have worked in the past, their academic background, and when we bring all of that together, Modal ranks in the 99th percentile of talent density.
Spotify and all the other digital natives, like for the last 10, 20 years that they've been existing, they built all of that in-house, stuff to run, data science, machine learning, and AI. And it's all like internal homegrown Kubernetes wrappers. Part of the vision of Modal is basically like, why is every company like trying to solve this independently? Like we should just solve it and make it much better and then sell it back to all these companies.
If you were to describe what chapter Modal is in today.
Introduction.
Opening credits?
Yeah, exactly. The main thing I built at Spotify was the music recommendations.
Yeah. Is that like when you go to, like when you're playing a song and you go to the radio for that song? Or?
I mean, it's like everything. It's like, like the radio, Discover Weekly, related artists, like all these stuff. Like I built a system that powers a lot of that stuff on your hood.
One of his colleagues at Spotify that had worked closely with him, he was like, if you get the chance to write the check into Erik's company, you write that check.
One thing I really liked about early conversations with Erik was we spoke the same language and had the same background. Like both did competitive programming. We're really passionate about computers. I thought Erik was someone who was really commercial and product-minded, which is not something that a lot of very technical people are.
What are the big selling points that you share with engineers?
You can talk about revenue growth, headcount, stuff like that.
Yeah.
That we're still pretty early, but they can be a part of building something like very, very large.
Yeah.
Like I want to keep working on this for 20 years, ideally. So like,
totally.
I always try to find people who are excited about that.
We got tea club in an hour, actually. We have whiskey club as well.
Oh, yes, there was bridge club.
There's a DJ club of me and 2 people. 3 people is enough for a club.
Building a talented team is you really need to think about the culture you want to build. If you relax the constraints on that, then it's hard to go back and then fix that.
The Lake Como offsite. At the end, we all went out finally on the water in boats, and we kind of got into a boat kind of randomly into pairs of 5. You can feel pretty confident in getting in the boat with anybody and have
There are
the time.
no bad boats.
There are no bad boats. No bad boats.
As long as the team has this very coherent culture, it's easier to find people who want to be part of that culture.
Every company says they're like obsessed with customers, like whatever, Amazon. Like Amazon is not obsessed with customers, by the way. Like maybe they were like 20 years ago, but definitely not now. Every single person at the company should talk to customers.
There was one customer where like one weekend they were having some like small issues, and then we woke up on Monday, they were having really, really tough issues, like networking issues specifically. Erik asks myself and then one other person who's like, can you guys fly out to Europe like today? And so at 1 p.m. we booked a 6 p.m. flight out there. We took the red eye.
Good engineers are like, yeah, sure, like I'll go figure it out. They like to solve problems.
Friday at like 6 p.m. we checked it, we shipped the fix, and then the errors went away. We're like, oh my God, thank God.
What percentage of the offsite is business versus culture, let's say?
Hence if AWS goes down during the offsite.
Yeah, this last one, on the first day, like AWS had a huge, massive outage for like the longest that they've ever had an outage.
That whole day was just responding to the incident, and then there were like shockwaves after that. So I was like responding to the incident and then going to the pool for an hour and then like getting out of the pool and being like,
We had lots of like conferences and presentations going on throughout the entire day, but there was always a group of people in the corner trying to fix our systems and keep everything running.
I'm a developer. I started building Modal for myself, and now put it out there, and there's like thousands of people that are using it, and most of them like it a lot, and they tweet about it and write about it. It's ultimately what drives me, I think, building something that people like.
The opportunity in AI compute, I think, is as big as any that we see, and I think we're still in really early days. And so when I think about how big Modal can be, it can be one of the greatest infrastructure companies that's ever been built.
I'm vegetarian.
No steak dinner?
No steak dinners.
Can you explain to me what this is?
This is a HR liability that I can't really explain because that will be in HR jail.
We have to cut some of this.
So clearly we didn't have a designer.
I mean, to even say the design is shit implies that there was any. I think this is the default Google Slides font.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Are those Modal socks you're wearing?
They are Modal socks.
I feel like you brought this up to embarrass me.
No.